Ever wonder why some people stay energized, fit, and full for hours while others are constantly snacking and crashing? The secret often lies in one powerful nutrient: protein. But not just any protein. We're diving into the best, most powerful protein-rich foods you need in your daily diet, and why they actually work. Whether you're a gym enthusiast, a busy professional, or just someone trying to stay healthy, protein is your body's secret weapon. It helps build muscle, repair tissues, balance hormones, and even keeps you feeling full for longer. So let's get straight into the ultimate list of protein-rich foods and uncover why each one earns its place on your plate. Let's start with some of the top sources of animal-based protein. First up, eggs. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, plus essential nutrients like vitamin B12 and choline, which are great for brain health. Next, we have the go-to favorite, chicken breast. It's lean, easy to cook, and gives you a massive 26 grams of protein per 100 grams. Then there's Greek yogurt, which delivers around 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, and it comes with the added bonus of gut-friendly probiotics. Salmon is another excellent choice. Not only is it rich in protein, but it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids that support your heart and brain. And if you're on a budget or in a rush, canned tuna is a quick and affordable protein source that fits easily into salads, wraps, or sandwiches. Now, let's talk about the amazing plant-based protein options. Yes, you can absolutely get enough protein without meat. Lentils are a plant-powered superstar, offering about 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. They're also full of fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you satisfied. Next up, quinoa, a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. 1 cup of cooked quinoa gives you around 8 grams of protein and is naturally gluten-free. Tofu is another fantastic plant-based option. It's made from soybeans, low in calories, and contains about 10 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's incredibly versatile and soaks up flavors from marinades, spices, and sauces, making it perfect for stir-fries, salads, or even smoothies. Then you've got nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. They may be small, but they're loaded with protein and healthy fats that support brain and joint health. Even green peas surprise many people. They pack about 9 grams of protein per cooked cup, which is more than a glass of milk. So, why does all this matter? Because protein does far more than just build muscle. It repairs your body at the cellular level, strengthens your immune system, and keeps your metabolism running strong. A protein-rich diet can help reduce cravings, support healthy weight loss, improve your mood, and give you sustained energy throughout the day. Whether you're team meat or team plant-powered, there's a protein-rich food out there for you. Start adding these foods to your plate and watch your energy, focus, and strength reach new levels. Which of these foods is your favorite? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health pack tips just like this. See you in the next one.